Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We have had a couple of snow days and it's time to get this house back in shape. The kids have been not necessarily stuck in the house because we have went out and played in the snow quite a bit, but the house has seen better days, that is for sure. So I figured for today's video we would do a little home reset because Lord knows it needs it. This is our homeschool playroom at the moment. I shouldn't even really be posting this on the internet right now because that is bad. But I like to keep it real with you guys. If you've been here for a long time, you know we keep it real on this channel, okay? This is not some aesthetically fancy channel. This is a mom, day in the life, real life. I do like cute home decor. I do that fancy, but I also try to keep it real. So let's get to work. They had a fort going back here, so that's why blankets are everywhere and chairs are moved around. It's a mess. But I will say it is not nearly as messy as it would have been if I had Play-Doh out, because I think I have to ban Play-Doh. I'm not actually going to ban Play-Doh, but sometimes I want to. I don't know what happened here. I'm assuming the blanket fort destroyed that. I've literally just let them pretty much do what they want back here for the last 3 days. Half wall because it still has Christmas stuff up there. It has a few winter things that we've done, but mostly Christmas. Cookie in the floor. This is my trash can, this little basket. Markers are probably done for at this point because they've been sitting back here without lids for 3 days. Are you coming back here to help me?
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning.
No, I was.
I might need to wash those, so I'm just gonna kind of sloppily fold them. Oh my god. So usually I kind of break this room into 2 things to clean. If it's a toy, I just push it the other way and I get to that. What?
I picked it up and this. So I got water from the pond.
Yeah.
And so a pond off the slime. How are we gonna do that with it later so I can get the water stuff? And
Okay. I'm obviously gonna wait and sweep until everything is picked up. This stuff I'm gonna put over here. Oh my god. So much stuff. Okay, now that side has everything picked up off the floor, I just need to clear off the table. But first I'm going to sit down over here and just reorganize everything. I have to put the mega blocks back where they go, the cars, take out what doesn't belong back here, make a pile to put that where it goes. The kitchen stuff needs to be cleared. It's just a mess. So I'm gonna do that. This is mostly like baby doll stuff, so I kind of try to keep all that in one basket back here because we keep like our high chair and baby crib and all that fun stuff back here. Like a little mini house basically was my idea for this little area. So I try to keep like the food. We do have mega blocks back here, but I don't know. It's just kind of random, honestly. This is just a basket of stuff that I need to put away that just doesn't belong back here. I lost my mic. It fell in one of the toy baskets. I finally found it. So I have been filming and didn't realize I didn't have the mic. So we might have to cut a lot of stuff out. Okay, this is just breakfast leftovers. So I'm about to clean this up. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, dinosaurs. I don't know what it is about this piece of furniture, but they love playing on it. So it's always a mess. Oh my God, y'all. Hidden stuff everywhere because they have drug out just about everything we own these past few days. All right, now we're into the living room. I'm sorry if I look a mess. I'm just in my like cozy, easy cleaning clothes, so nothing special. I'm gonna try to pick up this living room, but honestly, you know, if you're a stay-at-home mom, you understand this. Like I've literally just cleaned the playroom and there's already stuff back in the floor. So it's almost like, is it even worth it to clean? That's why I usually do a pickup before I go to bed. Just because that way we wake up the next morning and everything is fresh. And it's just like more calming, I guess, in our home when you wake up to a clean house. But for videos like this, it's just kind of hard. I also need to reset the house because it's a disaster because we haven't done anything the last 3 days. Besides like dishes and like, you know, keeping up with that kind of stuff. But because there just hasn't been any point. Preschool's been out, like no extracurriculars, so we've just been home. So I'm gonna reset this living room. Don't ask me what he's doing under the table because I have no idea. I'm gonna reset this living room and I guarantee you as soon as I cut this camera off, it's gonna be back to looking like this, but we're just gonna do it for the video, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna leave this stuff on the table because it's Paw Patrol. Everybody plays Paw Patrol in this house every day. Next is coats. Some of them I have to keep out because obviously it's still cold outside. So I'm gonna keep these two on the chair because we'll need them. Are you wearing this to work? Same. I was just about to make my bed, but then I realized I forgot I have to wash the sheets. So that's what we're doing now. Getting that ready to wash. Honestly, one of my least favorite tasks, but it has to be done. I put all this in here together. I'm a big fan of it'll simmer down. It might shake for a minute, but I think we'll be good. Don't tell my dad I did this because he'll be mad. I think I've mentioned this before, but this is like my favorite room linen spray right now. It's amazing. I got this from Marshall's. It's the number 796 brand. I don't know. It's amazing. I love the smell of it. I need to get into my kitchen, but I think I'm going to wait on that because I'm going to start preparing dinner in a little bit. Just because Joey works late tonight and it's just easier for me to like get it started earlier in the day. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I might as well just wait on the kitchen until after dinner. I think I'm going to do that. Okay guys, we're just about done because I have cleaned the kids' rooms up. I didn't really want to show that on camera just because it's their bedrooms. I don't really want to show their bedrooms. And I need to clean my bathroom, but I don't think I'm going to have enough storage space to film that. So just know I did clean my bathroom. I'm going to find a spot for these. I think I'm going to put these in my side table in my living room. We have been like on a board game kick. Obviously because of the snowy weather we've had here in North Carolina, but we've actually like over the last couple of months like really got into board games. Axel is 5. Well, he just turned 5. So he's like really been into them the last few months, and I'm starting to get Aspen into them and like have her understand them more. And I just ordered 2 more from Amazon. So I'm planning on doing like I think I'm going to do a video on like different board games for toddlers, even though Axel's 5, but I don't know, like small kids and under board games. Let me know if you're interested in that. I have like a bunch of them. We just ordered 2 different ones for them to try, but I think that they'll love them. It's Trouble and Hungry Hungry Hippo. So let me know if you want to see that video. I think that'll be a really fun TikTok and YouTube video. So anyways, I'm going to put these up and then I think I'm going to end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me spruce this house back in order after these snow days that we've had. It has just been, I have never seen this much snow in my entire life. I think the last time we got this amount of snow, they said was in '89, so before my time. And yeah, I am not gonna lie, I'm ready for spring. I'm usually a winter person, fall and winter, I love it. And don't get me wrong, I love the cold weather. Like right now, I'm burning up, so if I walk outside, I know it's just gonna feel amazing to me. But at the same time, I'm ready to plant flowers, I'm ready for spring. Not ready for summer, still definitely not ready for the heat, but I'm definitely ready for spring and greenery and flowers. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Real quick, I just want to show you guys what the playroom looks like. I just turned the camera off and I'm about to start making lunch, but let me show you what it looks like already. I'm just filming the playroom. Honestly, I don't even care. I'm just blessed to have children. Blessed, what do they say? Blessed by the mess. So it is overwhelming, but one day there's not gonna be a bunch of toys everywhere, and I am well aware of that. Trust me. So I tried to, you know, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. I'm one with the wind and snow.